Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve this fun little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get us started. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? The question says this figure is made of two rectangles. Find the length of these missing sides. Where should we start the solution? I'm going to start my solution by working on this small rectangle. But how? Look, we have the area of this small rectangle. We have the length of this side. So it will be easy to find the length of this side. As you know, the area of the rectangle is, can you help me to remember? Good. The area of the rectangle is length times width. In this case, the area is 16. So let me write it. 16 equals this side 5 times this side, I want to call it y. So we are going to find y. To find the y, it's enough we divide both sides by 5. This 5 cancel off. So y is going to be 16 divided by 5. Let me write the value of y here. 16 over 5 meter. As the next step, I'm going to work on this big rectangle. We have the area, we are going to find the length of this side. But how? We need to know what is the length of this side. As you know, this side is equal to the sum of this part and this part, right? So it's going to be 4 plus 16 over 5. But how can we find the value of this addition? Let me teach you a very cool way to add fractions that is called butterfly method. But what is this? To this, as you know, 4 is same as 4 over 1. In the butterfly method, it's enough we multiply these two numbers. 4 times 5 equals 20. 1 times 16 equals 16. So the answer 20 plus 16 equals 36. 1 times 5 equals 5. So the answer is 36 over 5. The length of this side is equal to 36 over 5. Now we have the area of the big rectangle, we have the length of this side, we are going to find the x. So the area 36 equals this side 36 over 5 times x. How can we find the x? To find the x, we have many ways, but one of them, we can cancel off this 36 with this 36. So left side 1 equals right side x over 5. Next step, 1 is same as 1 over 1. Now I'm going to use cross product. 1 times 5 equals 5. X times 1 equals x. So x is going to be 5. Let me write it here. And this is the correct answer. But do not forget, there are many different ways to solve this type of question. If you use different way to solve this, please let me know. Have fun.